The average American gets a $3,000 tax refund every April, which sounds great until you realize that's your own money you let the government hold for free all year. Or worse, some people owe money they weren't expecting. A correctly filled out W-4 prevents both problems. Today I'll show you exactly how to complete it. The W-4 is the form you give your employer telling them how much federal income tax to withhold from your paycheck. It was redesigned in 2020 and no longer uses allowances. You submit it when you start a new job and whenever your life changes, marriage, divorce, new child, second job, or a big change in income. The W-4 has 5 steps. Step 1, your personal information, name, address, SSN, and filing status, single, married filing jointly, or head of household. Step 2 is for multiple jobs. If you or your spouse works more than one job, this is critical. Check the box for the IRS withholding estimator, or use the multiple jobs worksheet. Skipping step 2 when you have 2 incomes is the most common cause of owing taxes in April. Step 3, claim your dependents. If you're the head of household with children, you can claim the child tax credit here. For 2026, the credit is $2,000 per child under 17. Enter the total credit amount in step 3, this reduces your withholding by that amount spread over your paychecks. A family with 2 qualifying children enters $4,000 here. Step 4, optional adjustments. Line 4A is for other income not from jobs, freelance, rental income, dividends. Enter the expected annual amount so more tax is withheld to cover it. Line 4B is for extra deductions beyond the standard, like mortgage interest or large medical expenses. Line 4C is for additional flat dollar withholding per paycheck. Most people leave step 4 blank. The best tool, use the IRS withholding estimator at irs.gov/W4 app before you fill out your form. It takes about 15 minutes, asks about all your income sources, deductions, and credits, and tells you exactly what to enter on each W-4 line to get as close to 0 owed or 0 refunded as possible. It's free, secure, and doesn't save any of your information. Warning, you can claim exempt on your W-4 only if you had 0 tax liability last year and expect 0 this year. Falsely claiming exempt to get more take-home pay is illegal and the IRS catches it when your return is filed. You'd owe the full tax plus penalties and interest. Only claim exempt if you genuinely qualify. Go to irs.gov/W4 app right now, run the withholding estimator, and update your W-4 with HR if needed. Getting your withholding right means you keep more of your money each paycheck instead of giving the government an interest-free loan. Subscribe for more payroll and tax guides every day.